Hi man, how you doing there? Today I'm gonna go to the college and spend one day filming everything what's going on, like describing my actions, my plans, talking to my friends, and eventually we're gonna go to English speaking club with the foreigners. Like it's gonna be really funny, and my main goal is to practice English speaking because I'm a learner from Russia and practice speaking is really essential for me. And you can learn vocabulary, you can practice your listening and just enjoy having fun. So bro, it's like comprehensible input for you, you know, this trendy right now. So let's go right now, my morning. We're going to leave dormitory and go to university. Right now I need to get dressed. Actually, I'm kidding, I've already dressed. That's my t-shirt and shorts for the day because today is a really warm weather, like almost summer. But autumn. Today's gonna be a really long day, long vlog. We're gonna practice vocabulary, so I'm planning to get only my backpack, earphones. It's the earphones, and that's it. Let's leave dormitory. Well, guys, we left dormitory now. Now we have to figure out whether we will be taking a bus or go by foot, because like that's we have two options to get to the college, and then after bus we will be taking a subway. So yeah. Oh, such a beautiful weather, nice warming. After college I'm going to go to our speaking club at university, English speaking club. So that's gonna be really interesting. We're gonna meet a lot of foreigners. Oh, look at this car. By the way, this is a convertible car, right? Convertible, like without a roof. I guess so. Yeah. Convertible car. We're gonna meet my foreigner friends at university. We're gonna talk, speak English, and it's gonna be really funny. This is a junction, guys. This is a junction. Like junction. Cross the street. You can cross the street in a zebra, like a zebra for pedestrians. Well, this is our bus station. We are going to take a bus in our bus station. He's reading a book and I'm just listening to music and learn vocabulary. This is my English app and I learn every single day vocabulary like this. Bro, our first class has been cancelled accidentally, totally unexpectedly for us. And right now I have 2 hours free time and I don't know what to do. Maybe I will go to the park and just sit somewhere in a bench and we'll look at nature. Or should I go to the library and just sit? I don't know. I prefer to go to the park. I think he was supposed to warn us in advance about this canceling. But alright, it is what it is, bro. Now I have to deal with it and have free time. Actually, I'm so happy. This is way better than just sitting there in a boring classroom. Now I have a pyramid. This is our main building in our university. It's called Mises in the very center of Russia. I love it. I love this stay. And my friend, he left me. He went to do his some business, to meet other people. Let's just walk. It's our main building. I will show it to you in the evening during our speaking club because it's gonna be exactly here and it's gonna be brilliant, bro. I'm so excited. Like we have speaking club in English, in Spanish, in Russian, and once a week we have this event. It's gonna be a first event in a new year, I mean new study year at university, like it's September. New season is coming. This building is our dining room. I will also show it to you. This is a tree. It's called birch. In Russian, bereza. So I prefer to call this bereza. It's like Russian national tree. I don't know why, but it is. And this is a pine or spruce Christmas tree. To get to the park, I need to pass through this like gates, but there is no even a door. We have a puddle, but I don't know why. Maybe it was a rain in the night. I'm not sure. It's like abandoned building. Maybe we will find a ghost here. For example, Ghostbuster, you feel me? We can film here, Ghostbuster, abandoned building, ruins, and that's my university. Yeah, the best park in Moscow is next to my university. So, by the way, take a look at this car. Oh my God, take a look at this car. That's like Russian car, Soviet style, something. I don't know. I'm not good at cars. I can get wilderness retreats. You know this. I like this phrase, wilderness retreats. I've heard this also in the office in my favorite TV show. And then I will go to classes because today I have 2 more classes. Yeah, I was supposed to have 3, but 1 is cancelled. So I have 2 more classes, and then free time to get lunch and go to speaking club. Yeah, that's brilliant. Such a lovely park. Definitely. Guys, we in the college with my friend Victor. We in the college getting ready to go to the first class downstairs, right? And become a successful scientist in nanotechnology. All right, let's join my group. I don't see them. Like, where are we gonna be at?
Next.
Tell them something in English. Tell with your accent, please. I love your accent. Tell them.
313.
13 classroom. Let's get in. There's like too many people, bro. Yo. Days in the car. We with Sanya here just for memory. Okay. We're sitting in the lecture and listening about what? About electronics. About electronics. What we got here? We got a paper, like copybook, cap, HDN, Henderson. We have a big screen, and we can see the information. Also, we have some kind of curtain, but we can like roll it. Oh, we can roll it, and the curtain will move. And outside, we have a beautiful view, center of civilization. And a lot of students, like nobody is doing anything. Girls are playing video games, boys just drinking something, I don't know, eating food. Can you tell them the same but in English? How to drink vodka with the pepper. Alright guys, it's a little bit unexpectedly, but after classes, I had 2 classes. I have some free time before speaking club, and I decided to meet my friend. He's totally Russian, hey. He doesn't speak English at all. Yeah? A little bit. Not at all. And we're just walking around Moscow, like, take a look at this. We in the Red Square. Yeah, because like my university is being in the very center. It's like, it doesn't take a lot of time to get to the center, and let's take a walk. Maybe, you feel me, maybe we will go to some coffee shop and buy snacks. I don't know. Yeah, just spending day like this. Hi, man. Давай, скажи.
Как по-английски, естественно?
I'm shy. I'm too shy.
I'm too shy.
Russian Red Square. Wow, we got a big church, like the main cathedral in Russia. Like, look guys, we got a huge jungles right here. Like, we can really go deep inside the jungles, and there is a waterfall. That's unique. Hi guys, we on a bench and we got Russian McDonald's. Check this out. Show them. We got drink and like milkshake. And I got a burger, fries, and drink. That's it. Fries. In general, I bought it for $6. For Russians, approximately like comparatively, that's cheap. Yeah. Beautiful place.
My boys.
We're gonna be vibing today. We're in a speaking club. Tamim. You feel me? We vibing with the music. We got the music. That's like basically our place where we're gathering. That's my home.
Hello,
Seoul.
ladies from the world.
Where are you from? Tell them where you're from.
I'm actually from Ecuador. I'm here already 6 years. I'm very glad. Well,
You have a weird accent, like
thank you. I'm the Latino accent, you know, from the world.
mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Un abrazo. y un
Hablo
beso.
español. Un poquito palabras.
Un poquito palabras. Nice.
You feel me? Yeah. It's like our process. We're only gathering here after maybe 10 minutes. We about to start. Russian girls. Hey, Russian girl. You're kinda tired. Yeah? Me too. Like we basically have this circle made of chairs and couches. You feel me? Tima, our Russian guy, is making like game day about football poster. It's cool. The socket for charging if you wanna charge. Yep. We're gonna play football 17 September. We got a big TV, like for watching anything we want. Tamim, our main IT guy.
I'm not IT guy.
IT guy.
I'm not IT guy.
Shape of you. Type shit, man. That's cool. Damn, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I love this song. It's like a vibes of 2015, 2016. You feel me? There's nostalgic songs. It's pretty awesome. Let's be honest. We're acting.
Bro, just give me a call. Can you just give me something, please?
Okay, what's the feeling? We're acting as scenes in English about our day.
Sorry, I was late today, very late. Oh no, I didn't do it.
We're gonna act after this. Now we play in broken form. We got a circle and we play in broken form in English.
That's why.
Hi guys, we finished our speaking club. We finished our day speaking English. I hope it was helpful for you. Yeah, we learned something new. It was a good day.
It was a good day. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, get a like.
Yes, sir.
Follow
See
him
you.
on all
Send
sides.
the comments and
the
laugh
comments.
into Andrew.
And please comment.
Yeah.
The most liked video is gonna win a PlayStation 5 from this.
Alright, see you. Thank you. It's my English, my studying routine, my college routine. Yeah, that's my friends. Alright, see you. Bye. Thank you. This is our university, by the way, if you haven't seen this yet. Oh, I have echo. This is our library and piano and guys from a Latin club. Yeah, pretty modern, and there is no one in here, literally. A little bit of Moscow downtown, near to our university. Huh? Bonita, yeah?
Да, Hermoso.
Hermoso.
Они что-то поменяли, он что-то так не горели.
Наверное, новые цвета какие-то просто зажгли.
Не, просто экрана больше нет. Мне кажется, он так не горел.
Ну, типа такая башня, да, полностью? Да, вроде не было. Pyramids, flags, you feel me?